Hey guys, welcome to another video. So today we are going to solve the majority element problem again. In our previous video, like we solved this question using order of 2n time complexity and order of n space. And today we are going to optimize that space to order of 1. So let's start. Let me open my notepad. Yeah, so let's take this array, right? In this array, there are total number of elements are 14. So the majority element will be that which repeats n by 2 times, right? Sorry, greater than n by 2 times, right? Yeah, so I have created a hash map here for each element of this array nums. So let's see. So we can clearly see here that 3 is our majority element because it is repeating 8 times, which is greater than 7, right? So the optimized solution will be solved using two-pointer approach. So let's see how we can solve this. I have written the pseudocode here, and I am going to dry run this code once. So let's start. So I have take two elements here. One is element, another is count. Okay, and I traverse this whole array, and I check if nums of I equal to element. So element will be initialized to nums of 0, that is initially 3. 3 is our element. So I check if nums of I equal to element, then count plus plus. The count is 0 initially, but because 3 is equal to 3, right? So the count is initially 1. Count plus plus and the element will be 3. Okay, so let's move ahead. Let's go to 4. So nums of I equal to element is 3. Nums of I equal to 4, which is not equal to element. Then if it is not equal to element, then count will be minus minus. Okay. Then count is again this is minus minus. So count is now 0, and majority element will be, because the count is 0, then we enter into this for loop, and now the element equal to nums of I. The element equal to new 4, and count is equal to 1. Okay, let's move ahead. Now 3 is not equal to 4. So again the count will be 0, right? And our major element will be 3. Because the count is 0, the count is again reinitialized to 1, and the element is what? The element will be 3, right? Then move ahead. Let's go to 6. 6 is not equal to nums. 6 is not equal to element, so count is again 0, and our majority element is 6 because count is 0, and let's reinitialize count to 1. Let's move ahead. Now it is 2, which is again not equal to element. So let's minus minus count, and 2 is our element. Because count is 0, again reinitialize count to 1, and our element will be 2. Let's move ahead. Now it is 3. 3 is not equal to 2. Then again count is 1. Majority element will be 3. Now let's move ahead again. Now it's 5. Majority element will be 5, and our count is 1. So now let's again move ahead. Now the element will be 3, and it is not equal to the element. So again the element will be 3, and count is 1. Now the element will be 6. Again the element will be 6, count equal to 1. Now the element is 3, which is again not equal. Now the element will be 3, count is 1. Element is now 7, which is again not equal to element. So let's initialize the element to 7, count equal to 1. Now it's 3, which is not equal to 7. So count is 1, and element will be 3. Now it's again 3. So element is as it is and count is now 2. Now it's again 3. It means count plus plus 3, right? So yeah, in the last we need to return the element. Here the element value is 3 and we return the element at last, which is our final answer. I hope you understood this solution. If you don't, then please dry run this pseudocode once and you will get it. So now let's go to Leetcode and we are going to uh, write the code for it. I have taken two variables. One is two pointer. One pointer is majority element. Another is count. Let's traverse through this array. I think we're done. And now we just need to return the majority element. Yes, to solve this question, all test case are passed. As you can see here, test case 1 is passed, 2 is passed, and let's submit this code once now. Yes, so what will be the time and space complexity? The time complexity should be order of n because we are using one for loop here. And the space complexity will be order of 1 because we are not using any extra space. That's all, guys. Thank you. Thank you for watching. Bye.